Engineers are the basic backbone where we make the infrastructures, we create the jobs. So during the development of the infrastructure projects, as you already know, the global warming is one of the hot topics today. And as a role of our engineers, we are supposed to reduce the global warming, whatever development we do. We have created so many assets all over the world, engineers, which consume so much energy. So our role as an engineer is also that energy utilized is minimal and we get the maximum output. So I will just briefly introduce you what we have done in the railways. There are a number of energy saving measures. We'll just list you for your information. Nowadays, railways were using conventional locomotive, if you heard, steam locomotive. Then we graduated to diesel locomotive. Then we have gone for the electric locomotive, which were more energy efficient. And now in the energy, this electric locomotive also, nowadays railways is manufacturing and utilizing the three-phase locomotive. This three-phase locomotive is having the facility where we generate the energy also. When the train is rolling down or going on the down gradient, you can see the locomotive generates the energy also. So this way we are saving the large amount of energy. Similarly, in the railways, if you see, even the diesel locomotive, nowadays we are manufacturing very energy efficient diesel locomotive whose energy consumption is almost 1/3 of the previous one. In the building side, we can see all these lights, what you are seeing, they are all LED lights which consume very, very less power. Solar power systems have been installed all over at many places in the railway stations. Now these solar powers also, energy has been improved a lot. Earlier, some of you may be knowing, the solar power efficiency was very less. EUF factor was around 11 to 12%. Now this factor has been improved to around 21%, which means we are generating more energy, electrical energy within the same area. The solar panels have become so energy efficient. To further reduce, there are a number of things like e-vehicles you are already hearing. Star rated equipment, 5-star rated equipments, we are supposed to utilize biogas like that. So all are these measures which improve our energy efficiency. So these are the measures, that is how we can reduce our dependency on heavy consumption of the energy. And as you must be knowing also, in the recently held G20 meeting, this is one of the agenda items, that we have to reduce our energy consumption without compromising about the quality of life or slowing down the development of the nation. So as an engineer, all of you have a very strong role to play, at least in your whatever offices are there, wherever you stay or use, we should use the energy efficient equipment and we should not waste our energy. So this is one of the lessons we can have on today, which will go a long way towards sustainable development and for the development of the planet. So as an engineer, this is one of our major role. Other things are there, which basically infrastructure development, you already know, lot of infrastructure works are going on, station redevelopment and other things, which create the job for the nation. We contribute in raising the average income of the common public. So you have a large responsibility shouldered on you. These are one of the basic things I thought I will share it with you.